Hey friends, if you're like me, outdoors and off-grid, I'm always chasing a little bit of comfort without giving up the simple life, and I've been testing out a product here at my off-grid cabin that might be worth checking out. This is the Ogery F11 portable fan. When you're off-grid or just out camping, airflow matters, especially when the air isn't moving. That's where this fan comes in. The Ogery F11 is compact, folds flat, and doesn't take much space. But don't let the size fool you. This thing moves some serious air. With upgraded turbocharging and smart controls, it can push air up to 5.3 meters per second. That's plenty to cool down a tent, a cabin corner, or even a warm van. It runs quiet too. Strong airflow without sounding like a jet engine. What really sets this little fan apart is the battery. This fan packs a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, enough to run for up to 138 hours on low. On high, I've gotten around 12 hours, which is still impressive for how much air it moves. And when it's time to recharge, it supports 20-watt fast charging. I used a decent adapter, and it went from dead to full in about 4.5 hours. No more overnight charging waits. It has a built-in hook so that you can hang it up. I've used it in my mini excavator to keep me cool while I'm out working. You also get a little remote control, which makes it nice to operate from afar. One of the features I didn't expect but love is the auto oscillation. It can be set to sweep 30, 60, 90, or even at 120 degrees. That's a rare find in a portable fan this size. It also has a built-in ring-style LED lantern with 3 brightness levels. I like that it's not just a spotlight, it's softer, easier on the eyes, and great for reading or late night chores around the cabin. I like sleeping with the fan at night. The noise helps me sleep. And a nice feature that this fan has is a night mode that turns all of the LED lights off so that there's no bright lights shining at night. I've used it in my cabin, my shop, at my desk, and when I'm out working. Whether you're car camping, boondocking, or just dealing with the summer heat, it's been a super useful addition to the gear pile. Simple, quiet, and versatile. The Ogery F11 doesn't try to be fancy, it just works. And out here, that's what matters. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. Well, that's it for today. If you've tried this fan or have a better option, let me know down in the comments. If you like honest reviews, especially from an off-grid perspective, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you out there.